Hey everyone, so I just want to briefly summarize thesis statement writing because thesis statements are not easy. They're not supposed to be easy. The main reason they are not easy is because a thesis statement changes depending on the type of essay you're writing. If you're writing an analysis essay, it looks a particular way. If you're writing a narrative essay, it's structured a different way. Argument essay different, informative research essay, any type of essay. These are just a few examples. These are more in line with the type of essays we write in this class, so I use those as more specific examples. Review file 2.3 already if you haven't, because that goes into more detail. But for this writing activity, I want you to practice how to write an argument thesis, just because that one, to our benefit, has more of a formula that we follow. So an argument thesis is one sentence. Thesis statements in general are usually one sentence, but the argument thesis formula follows this specific formula. You start with your claim, meaning your argument to the topic, plus one reason that supports your topic, a second reason that supports your topic, and a third reason that supports your topic. All of that is in one sentence. So you don't want to break this up into separate sentences. You want this formula to all be in one sentence. It's trickier than it sounds. So if I was going to ask you, what's your favorite type of food? And you say, I'll say rather, pickle chips, spicy pickle chips are the best because I'm starting out with my claim. This is an opinion, right? Because plenty of you all could disagree, and that's okay. So I'm starting with a claim, my argument. It's an opinion. Spicy pickle chips are the best because, and now I need 3 reasons to support my argument. Because they are flavorful. Okay, that's my first reason. They are unique. Pretty unique type of chip, I think. Again, you could disagree, but it's an argument. And they fill me up. They are filling. That would be an example of an argument thesis because it's all in one sentence. It is in third person point of view. Make sure you reviewed point of view this week as well to distinguish the difference between first, second, and third person point of view. Even though I'm sharing my opinion, it's more formal that I keep this in third person point of view like I have here. It's an argument because it has my claim. Spicy pickle chips are the best because, and I have 3 reasons to support that claim. If I were going to write a full essay on this topic, I would dedicate a paragraph to discuss why they're flavorful. I would dedicate a paragraph to discuss why they're unique. And I would dedicate a paragraph to discuss why they're filling. A thesis statement is specific enough to state your 3 reasons, but vague so that you're going to go into more detail in the rest of the essay. A common error, understandably, that students make is they put too much detail in their thesis statement, so it's one really long sentence. So you don't want it to be like that. Vague enough so that you would expand on it if it were your essay. So that's just to kind of summarize an argument thesis formula, just because our writing activity deals particularly on that to practice. Like I said, when we get more into our major essays, each essay the thesis is written entirely different. So that's what makes them challenging, but it's a good way to practice different writing styles. So it's awesome. Do make sure you reviewed point of view and this file as well in the weekly module, just to get a little more information out of it. All right, y'all take care. Let me know if you have any questions about thesis statements.